We've got these new limited edition Christmas mugs. You know, like when you see Waffle House, every year they come out with a new one and they become a collector's item. Well, here you go. Our rendition, first installment, we have the Jeep Wild Willies, lifting Christmas spirit since 95, mild to wild. And then a red with the Bronco inspired look to it. Mild to wild. Check those out. I'll put the link in the description below. Buy those bad boys. Great stocking stuffer. Today's video is about these two Code Orange INDORAPTORS. It is after 7:30. I'm supposed to be hollaback. Done got the workout in. Time to bring you this because it's been a crazy day today and have not been able to show you the variation. Just been so loud in here all day long, y'all. But hope you're doing great. Hope you're ready for Christmas. You know how I feel about Code Orange. I wish it was race red. But nonetheless, we have these two beauties right here on 37s and a great opportunity for me to show you all variations. So you're noticing this one right here and you're probably like, what's up with this Raptor without the applique out black? Well, it is an option that you could choose to delete. So this one does not have the applique. It does have a larger Raptor badge on the back there that we of course custom painted. If you remember what this looks like, it has gray bumpers, gray fenders, and cladding. The applique out back is that pesky non-premium gray color as well. And this blue and chrome Ford symbol on the back did not flow or match at all. So we do all we can do with what we're working with. So out back, custom emblem out back, the Raptor, custom, the rear bumper in Code Orange, the side fender flares in Code Orange. Did not do anything to the tail lights because we got these two side by side. So a great opportunity to show variations, because if we can't explain and describe what our packages are, it makes it very difficult to sell. You know what I'm saying? And you customers, you hear me slapping additions and so forth and new creations and packages all the time. I'm sure it gets confusing. So try to make it as simple as possible. So just take a look while we're back here. Tail lights. Stock Raptor tail light. Did a good job like the black appearance package. You've got black on the inlay. Typically have chrome on the non-black appearance package or the non-Raptor tail lights, but phenomenal. You got blind spot monitors. You got daytime running light, LED running light on the surround there, but you come over here. It's a statement. It is a statement of all statements, these tail lights. So this tail light, yes, that's right, looked just like this. Again, you step back and you see the Code Orange with the red tail light. It just doesn't flow, y'all. If it was race red or black or any other color, it would flow, it would work. I guess you can make it work. Still does not look bad, but I'm just telling you the distinct difference between these two, where we did a gate black on the entire applique out back and then did the forged letters, perimeter only, Code Orange, did the F-150 facing only, I mean just the face, the sides there. We've done it in the past where we do all that and it does not look as clean. So do it that way. Do the Raptor logo out back here too, just the border perimeter, amazing. That badge right there has so much weight to it now, y'all. It's been so amazing to see what we've been able to achieve in a short period of time with our custom lot vehicles. But tail lights, 50 state compliant. You got 70% light minutes coming through them. It's so impressive how much light actually shows through. And then our latest generation, latest variation, doing this outside perimeter there, Code Orange with a light smoke there. So you got the continuation of the applique all the way through there for a money. I mean, just so stellar. I mean, looking amazing and clean and custom, and just, you know how we do. We are with no modifications on the suspension out back. We did put Husky rear wheel well liners. They finally got those bad boys in. We got the 3.1 inch Fox new great amazing suspension. It makes it even better. And while we're right here, y'all, I got to show you, I'm in Brady Rambo's race red. There it is. There's the original, boys and girls, the one that started it. Right there, and we're on the same with the entire combo. I'm gonna have to go outside and show you in a minute, so stay tuned for this. Don't leave the video. Don't leave this video. So hang in there with me, please. We got 22 by 10, -13, fuel rebel wheel. We said, hey, what can we do to hit it, make it hit different? So we powder coated the simulated bead lock around there. It's not a true bead lock. Code Orange, did Code Orange on the fuel and F logo on the center. A totally different variation from just keeping it black. I mean, it just hits totally different. It's going to be something that may deter some people because it is so bold, it is so aggressive now, and we're on 37, 12.5, 22 ridge grapplers, so that -13 offset is already an aggressive combo, but to me, it's a money setup. You know I love it. and it just looks great on this overall balance from width to height to still have ample sidewall to a big mature wheel as far as 22-inch in diameter. Those fenders all done up, the side heat extractors and a gate black all done up because that's typically texture I'm about to show you. And up here on your top heat extractor, all gate black with the Raptor there too. Just amazing. Let's go ahead and show you the difference while we got you here. So all that texture still there. Just look there and look there. I mean, the details matter. You can't tell me that the details don't matter when you go from this to after to this to stock. I mean, I'm just saying, y'all. It's all right there. Plain as day. And the facts speak for themselves. You can see right there a distinct difference. You can see the side heat extractor, a distinct difference. Makes perfect sense to me. So again, stepping back between these two, another variation up front. So you've got the full facing on this one. We did the grille, a gate black, but the full facing of the Ford letters in code orange. We did not do these bump pads up front. We kept the texture on those, but we did the skid plate down below, a gate black as well. Looks great. That front bumper, code orange. Even your Raptor there, that does not come code orange from the factory. We even did that code orange as well via paint, and then headlights. Did not do the headlights on this one here. Did not do the tail lights either, or your next level components there. Still a phenomenal Raptor right here, and a regular Raptor is phenomenal. But the INDORAPTOR, this is our entry level, and then next level right here. You know, it's just either or. You want to do the pinstripe or you want to do the full Ford letters. It's totally up to you, but we did do the front bumper again, and we did do the texture remove. I mean, look, you can see the Yeezys in the reflection. Let's go, a comparison. Can you see my shoes in the reflection here? No way. So there's a great comparison right there, y'all. You got it right there. All that glossiness, all that agate black. You can see the flake in there. We don't use gloss black because we just love the agate black. I don't know how to say it, y'all. You know what I'm saying. Inside the headlights, we deleted that side amber. We blacked it out. There is actually chrome around your high beam and low beam. We did code orange there, code orange on the Raptor. And coming here next door to your stock headlights, you can notate that even this particular U-shaped portion down below as well is like a gray color. And then you got chrome, high beam, low beam, and there's the amber marker on the side. So which do you like? I mean, obviously that looks great, but this is next level. Is it worth it to you for us to separate your headlights to do it like this other one, or just keep it stock? That's up to you, but this is phenomenal in that a lot of dealerships don't have a Raptor at all. We got two, and code orange at that. We actually got another one. We got several. We have, I think, 8 here right now. So the resources that Akins has, combined with Wild Willies Custom Accessories, it is the best thing going. I'm telling you, in the entire country. I'm not talking about Georgia. I'm talking about the entire country. You got to come mess with us. AkinsFord.com, Wild Willies Accessories. Get that Christmas mug, y'all. It's a great stocking stuffer. But again, here we have another 1.5 inch RPG level kit, just like we have here. Take a look right there. The bottom perch collar, many different ways to level these trucks out, but we like the RPG. We just think it's for overall articulation and not upsetting that preload. That's the way to go. Again, 37, 12.5, 20 with the fuel, a brand new wheel from Fuel. I love the way it looks. It has that rebar look to it, and just a distinct design that looks off-road inspired. It looks luxurious at the same time. This is a +1 offset, so we're 13 millimeters, y'all. We're 1/4 of an inch. You know, we're sticking out slightly more here. We're on a 10 wide versus a 9 wide. So this one's going to stick out, I'd say, about close to 2 inches more overall than we have here because of the extra wheel width, then the offset difference. So again, it's very detailed, it's very complex, but we're here to help you. We have our INDORAPTOR badges as well. I think this is the 4th one we've put them on. We're sending them out to customers as well that already currently have an INDORAPTOR, so keep that in mind. You'll be getting a care package from us in the near future. But again, just interior qualities of the 14th gen and now 3rd gen F-150 and Raptor is so superior. I mean, it is phenomenal. There's great attributes. The steering wheel, the power is more than adequate. The 10 speed's better. Your sport mode's better. The big 12-inch screen's better. The fit and finish is better. It's just better. There's a reason why, and we carry RAM here as well. I'm not knocking on the TRX, but there's some distinct differences that make the Raptor especially the Indoraptor, a 5-tool player that can do it all. I don't want to just hit home runs every time. I want to be able to catch and throw and run and just do everything else. That's what the Raptor brings to me. That's why I think it's number one. Check out Akins liner, guaranteed for life as well. But 2 different variations. This one here is actually sold. Alan O'Malley sold this one today. So I was just thinking, I was like, man, we got to get this one on the camera again. A good side-by-side comparison there. This one ended up at $110, properly equipped with our Indoraptor package options there. Pause here. Both of these units were bought from different dealerships, so keep in mind, not trying to gouge. Quality components, great value. Paid over sticker for this. You get what I'm saying, y'all. Again, we're seeing a lot of vehicles across the entire country above this price in the stock form. So you're getting a Willies custom Indoraptor. I'm telling you, like, you know, give me about 5 more years. Give me 5 more years, 5 to 7, and we're gonna be on the map even more with these packages. It's gonna be the Shelby-like. It's gonna be Roush-like. It's gonna be all that it can be, because we're gonna make sure it succeeds, y'all. And it already is succeeding. We're already catching major traction on our Indoraptor packages. And we do still love Roush and have Roush vehicles as well. So check these out. We love Roush. Real deal, your boy loves Roush, y'all. And we got superchargers available for these. We've got many other components that we can add on these. So just hit us up, hit me up. I'm your source for everything auto right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Rapid Red. Rapid Red, Code Orange. We got a custom Explorer in here as well. Can't believe this is still here too. So there's so many diamonds hiding around the dealership. Yes, you probably see, oh, inventory, the market, yada, yada. Akins is still strong. We're still rolling. We're still producing. We're still customizing. Everything is amazing, and it's Christmas, so everything's even more special, y'all. Thanks again for watching. Just a quick one I wanted to bring to you. I got to get home and see the fam. So hit that subscribe button and catch me next time, because every single day we bring in diamonds, and we got celebrities on the reel. Oh, I got to show you. Hey, I got to show you. I got to show you. Let me show you the original Indoraptor. Yes, now this is race red. This is race red. There's a distinct difference between race red and Code Orange. I hope you can see it, and let me know what you think in the comments. Code Orange or race red, Gen 2 or Gen 3. I'm actually driving this one right now because we are getting my 350 painted. Austin's doing that for me, and taking care of Brady's baby while we're doing it, y'all. So, oh, again, one more thing. Hang on, hang tight, don't go anywhere. If you're still watching, that means everything. Fuel Rebel 22x10 -13, and just did the Fuel in the F Race Red. We're on Toyo MT, so we're on more aggressive tire combo, but a great mild to wild scale, perfect for an Indoraptor and beyond. And we still, let me show you this. This one right here too, y'all. Not enough attention on this bad boy. Can you see out here underneath the lights that this is a satin ghost flip wrap? This was a white Indoraptor that we wrapped. It just hits totally different. I cannot believe this thing is still here. It's my fault. We haven't had enough attention. I haven't done a good enough job. If you think it doesn't sell, it's your boy Real Deal's fault. So dadgummit. Look at this. This is a stunner as well. We're on rebars also. We're on 37s. Same setup as the Code Orange that's sold on the inside, but they say totally hit different wrap to set it off in this. You know what I'm saying, y'all? And again, no applique on this one, but a clean and classy one-of-one Indoraptor here as well. We got so much more to show you, but I've spent enough of your time tonight, and I got to get to the house. So peace out, y'all. Until next time, love y'all. Peace out.